Hello, I'm Mark Rodehaver, and I'm Associate Broker at Berkshire Hathaway Utah Properties here in Park City, Utah. And today we are at 1419 Aerie Drive. This home was built in 2000. It's been updated, as you'll see from the video here. And it's 5 bedrooms, 6 bath, about 5,350 square feet. Sits on the top of Aerie, looks back at Old Town and Deer Valley. Insane views, great location here in Aerie, quiet neighborhood. Let's go take a look at it.